So to get their attention, if everyone else is using the same type of headline, like this emoji and then video, if you see a trend, run away. The first thing we have to do is wake them up and grab their attention, okay? And I think everyone knows this, but it's very important to talk about. Why do we need to grab their attention? Because so is everybody else. Everyone else is fighting for attention. We were just talking about YouTubers, right? Yeah. That's fighting for my attention. At the same rate as a new book that launches is, or a magazine that I'm reading, or it's all a billboard that I walk by. It's all the currency of attention. So how do we capture their attention in a way that's unique? Here's a really cool, simple thing that you need to always keep in mind, and you can walk away from this and go, okay, that's all I got to do. So to get their attention, if everyone else is using the same type of headline, like this emoji and then video, if you see a trend, run away. Run away from the trends. And by the way, just to go philosophical for a second, that same thing applies in life. When people are running away from the market, run in. It's a great time to invest and see what's going on. Don't follow the crowd. Don't follow the crowd, because you are going to get lost in a world of everyone copying each other and sounding exactly the same. So you shift and you create a new direction with a unique voice, but don't lose yourself and don't lose your authenticity by going a completely different direction just because you're following a trend, or even if you're avoiding a trend, speaking in a way that your customer doesn't understand. So stay in line with your customer, stay in line with that journey, offer them the transformation still, but get their attention in a unique way. And to do this, you're gonna probably, if we're talking about writing a headline, my minimum is 20 headlines, because generally the 21st headline is the best one. Yeah, well, and it takes that many iterations to like go deep and really get to that point where you're being creative and finding a unique angle to get their attention with.